I was talking about base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Always you should keep it in mind. The sides which are forming 90 degrees angle are base and perpendicular. This could be written vice versa, because if I see from this way, from front, I have a base BC and perpendicular AB, though it is a vertical line. And if I see from left side, I have a base AB and the perpendicular BC. So there is no problem if I call it base. So this would be the perpendicular, and if I call BC as base, so AB would be the perpendicular. But always the side which is opposite to 90 degree is a hypotenuse. So you should not forget it. This could be written base and perpendicular, could be written vice versa, but hypotenuse should be, hypotenuse is the opposite side of 90 degree. Now we have to learn about Pythagoras theorem. Is it? Now what does it say? The Pythagoras theorem says that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. If we add square of perpendicular and square of base, you will get hypotenuse square. Or you can write it h is equal to under root p square plus b square. This is the main formula we have according to the Pythagoras theorem, is it? Now we have a converse of it. If you have to find perpendicular and hypotenuse and base is given, so what can we find? P square is equal to h square minus b square. Now only p if you have to find, p is equal to under root h square minus b square. If we have to find base, so this will be h square minus p square, or so only base if we have to find, it would be under root h square minus p square. This is the converse of this main formula. This is the main formula we have to learn, and we have to understand it, that square of perpendicular plus the square of base always gives you hypotenuse square. And if it is not equal, then you cannot construct a right angle triangle. That is confirmed. The square of perpendicular plus the square of base should be equal to the square of hypotenuse. And if in case it is not equal, right angle triangle cannot be formed. Just let us see, we'll see one example. In a right angle triangle, maybe the length of AB and BC is given. Just I am rubbing this. Length of AB is given, just example 3 centimeter. This is given 4 centimeter. This is what? AB is 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, angle ABC is 90 degree. So find, no need to solve, find AC. So what do we know? H is equal to under root P square plus B square. AC is a hypotenuse. Now P, what do we have? 3 centimeter whole square plus base, what we have? 4 centimeter whole square, or it gives you 9 centimeter square plus 16 centimeter square, or it gives you 25 centimeter square, or this will be 5 centimeter. So length of AC is 5 centimeter. Then only you can draw the triangle. That is right angle triangle. Otherwise you cannot draw. So for today you leave it up to here. You must read all the formula. You must not read. You must learn all the formula. So when we solve the exercises, there will not be any problem. And tomorrow's live class will be taken on Saturday. Though tomorrow is Mahalaya and Viskarma Puja. So we'll meet on Saturday in live class. At the same time, I'll send the message also. Keep practicing, dears. Learn the formula. Thank you.